It's racing time. We've got 7A. And it's Papa Joe moving up. Alajero down on the inside is the favorite. Purple Temper to grab the lead. Minotaur moving up down on the inside. Knight's Queen comes next. Silver Champ moving up in between the runners. Kukurukuku. Paloma is moving up by the rail as they race towards the half-mile pole. Minotaur, the leader by about 2 lengths. Purple Temper in second, then racing in third. Knight's Queen moving up. A Silver Champ, then running on the outside. Papa Joe running by the rail. Kukurukuku. Paloma River Mist as they round towards the 450. Minotaur leading the field, followed by Knight's Queen, then comes Silver Champ. Kukurukuku, Paloma, Purple Temper, and Papa Joe with 200 to race. Minotaur still leading the field by about 2 lengths, running in second now. Isan 3, number 5, Kukurukuku, Paloma, but Bergancia on Minotaur, winning the race over close between Kukurukuku, Paloma, River Mist, then comes 7A, Papa Joe.
A long shot, number 2, Minotaur, crossing the wire first.